Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a StockX account. So all you have to do is just simply open up your browser and type in stockx.com and head over to their official website. It's a wonderful selling website. You can sell, you can buy. A lot of good stuff is actually on this site. So in order to create your account, you want to click and sign up on the upper right hand side. And the cool thing about this is that you can sign up with your social media accounts if you have one. You don't have to go through their first name, last name, email, password, and so forth. You can scroll down and simply use, for example, your Gmail account. That's what I'm going to use. Quickly using my Gmail right there to sign in. And that's going to help me to quickly create my account. Now you can change the name if you want. I'm going to change the last name to tutorial, as you know, and just go ahead and click sign up. All right, this is going to quickly create an account for me, and it's as easy as that. You don't have to do anything else. Right there you have your account, and yeah, you can start using it. Now if you would like to learn more about how it works and to go around the website, just go ahead and let me know. I'll go ahead and show you the features, different areas in the website, so that you can know how to actually use the website. But that's it. That's how you go ahead and create your StockX account. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.